I think we're recording. What a gorgeous, gorgeous area of Texas I am in. What is today? I don't have my glasses on. I can't see. 13th? We're going to say it's the 13th of January. January 13th. Put on my gloves. It's kind of cold out today. Look. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I am absolutely on my most favorite road of all time in Texas. New Braunfels, new restrooms and showers, 2024. Next right. Very cool. I am on the River Road. This has become my new favorite road to ride. It's super close to the house. Got here in 15 minutes. I'm gonna do this 11 miles, 8 miles, whatever it is, 5 miles, it doesn't matter. It's fantastic. And then it's gonna take me, I don't know, half hour to get home. I dig it. Oh, how do you level a big schoolie like that? Have to look on the old YouTube. 20 miles per hour. Oh no, I didn't think about school buses. This could be a poopy ride. It's telling me to slow down. Slow down, you're going too fast. Slow down. Speed limit 20. Okay. Yeah, we're going a little bit over. We got some rain. Did we get rain? Yes, Jaden was down. And it rained for a day. Let's see what this thing looks like when there's rain. It looks about the same. Super pretty. Lovely. Gorgeous. Stand up. Yep. January in Texas. I'm out for a ride. Oh, it sounds so good. So good indeed. So I'm doing this one backwards because of the sun. And I wasn't even going to do this ride today. Like, I was going to come like I was coming here, but I was going to turn left on this other road instead of turning right to come here. Yeah, well, you know what? The Spyder just brought me here. So here we are, the River Road. Outside of New Braunfels, and Loop 337 is where I met this. Dig it. Spanish moss. The cliff, the rocks, the mountains, the hills, whatever you want to call them. They call it hill country. I guess I agree, they're hills. Kind of reminds me of Ohio. I hate to be that person, you know, but I did live in Ohio for 49 years, and this reminds me of Ohio. And maybe the sun's going to be in our face going this way. We'll see. Not worried about it. It's still going to be a remarkable ride. Just putting along. Face shields open. Spyders tell me it's in the 50s. It's probably about 57. It's not cold by no means. I just got on some jeans, some old frog togs that I use to keep the air off of me. I got on my leather jacket. Oh, I didn't loop my glove. That's fine. I got a new comm system, and I don't know how to pause the music, so I might have to stop and yank this glove off anyway. How remarkable this road is. If I had a lot of money. See, it looks like they got a lot of rain down here. If I had a lot of money, I would definitely purchase some land down here. But I don't even know what I was saying. I got lost in the beauty. Yeah, it does remind me of like the Hocking Hills area, Clear Creek. It's just a lot warmer. You know, they got a lot of snow up there right now. My daughter just went home. She flew out yesterday. She was down here for like 10 days. Took her to the airport, tried to get rid of her, but they were like, yeah, no, you can keep her for another day. I was like, okay. So we kept her for another day, and she flew home yesterday with minor delays compared to how normal it is for her. Man. I wonder how much a full-time site would be down here on the river. You know, nothing that you're going to live in. You're not going to live in it. You're just going to go on the weekends and chill by the river. Because it would be awful warm in a camper in the summer here. I could probably do it. But 60 degrees, get a little heat going, have a little fire at night, listen to the water running, probably make me have to go pee every 5 minutes. Do not enter. Do not enter. Okay, they told us, don't enter, people. Yeah, look at the little mountain right there. And I've come the other way a ton of times. I don't even know how I got there, to be honest with you. And it's fine. It's a great ride coming the opposite direction, but I want to see it this way. All built up just in case. Just in case the river gets high, I'm assuming, even though we're in Texas, it can still flood. I dig it. Yeah, it's a really good ride. It's nice and slow. I'm assuming if I wanted to push it, I could probably push it through here. There's usually not that much traffic. But I'm still in the, ooh, let me see. I haven't seen this before, you know? I brought my son, so he was down a couple days before my daughter, and we're gonna have a video. I'm on my blue bike and he's on my Spyder, just being silly. He was leaning. It looked like he was gonna fall off the bike, but he didn't, thank goodness. Closed for the season. I wonder what the season is. I bet they're back open April. March? Could they be open that early? I guess if you want a kayak. I mean, heck, last week people, well, it's been about 2 weeks because, like I said, my daughter came down. No, I took her for a ride. When she was down, we went for a ride. Fantastic riding with her one more time. Yeah, people were out here fishing, so they were in the water, waiting in the water, so I get they probably had insulated gear on, but still, I mean, it's chilly back here. The temperature gotta be dropping. What's this boy gonna do? Oh, that's cute. All the windows. Oh, they got a deck right there. That's cool. Vacation rentals. Cutie houses. But yeah, love this road. Everybody has I'm assuming everybody has that road. I only got a little bit of time, need to go for a ride, get some stuff off my head, listen to some music, whatever. This one's mine. Back home it would be like 374 was a really good loop. 328, yet another good loop. 668 out of Somerset, that was a good loop. 664 anytime, but there was a lot of traffic on 664. But yeah, this is my go-to. That's not bad for a go-to road. This is not bad. Let me know. Here we go. I'm doing the YouTuber thing. Let me know what your favorite road is. Drop them in the comments below. I'm probably the worst YouTuber at answering comments. My life's a little busy. That's a big old truck. Hey there, big old truck. Yeah, it's a chilly day today. I'm glad I decided to throw on a long sleeve. I threw my liner in my jacket, you know. But I'm still wearing my light gloves. Yeah, he's not even looking at the road at all. Gonna run him over somebody. I don't know which direction I like better. It feels very cold this time of year on this road. Probably about 55, 54 degrees. Nothing too hateful, but I can tell it's on the cooler side because the cold air is pushing through these gloves a little bit. Look at that. Sun on it. Remarkable. There we go. Got us a sport bike rider. Hey, what's going on there, buddy? Yeah, watch the road. Watch the road, people. But no, definitely drop a comment. And if you're from Texas, I'm in the New Braunfels area. Point me out some roads. Please point me out some roads. Fly shop. Oh, I love this one. This one's really, really pretty. It's the third crossing, if anybody was wondering. The water is so clear. Spanish moss in the trees. Reminds me of Florida. And then I think really quick, and I'll let everybody go. Maybe, I don't know. Not really quick. We're not going to talk about it. I was going to let you know my car blew up. And I'm going to be on my Spyder a lot more. But I don't think anybody cares, to be honest with you. I think the highlight of that is I'm going to be on my Spyder a little bit more, it looks like. The sun is flashing in and out of the trees up there, and it's like bloop, bloop, bloop. Seeing bits of red. Yeah, what a fantastic road. If you have not discovered this road and you're in the San Antonio, maybe even Austin area, definitely this is a good road. Pack some lunch. Here's a new Toyota. That's pretty cool. That's the Lexus Toyota. See? He's fishing. Don't blame him. Out of all the times that I've seen people fishing, I've only seen one person with a fish on the line. But, I mean, going fishing doesn't mean you're going to catch a fish every time. Right? It's like going for a ride. You're not going to find... Oh, dang. Oh, I don't know if I've ever noticed. That was like straight up on the road. I just noticed the rock that had fallen. It would be cool. I don't even know how many miles long this is. It'd be cool if they like closed a section of it off just to let people walk the road. That way you really get to see. Oh, look at all the deer out there. I don't know if I'm gonna get a clear shot. They're out there in the field, getting nice and warm. I'm gonna get to see them through here. There we go. There's 1, 2. Make sure I don't get run over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lot. Lots of deer. Out just enjoying the sun. Yeah, I think I like coming the other direction. But it's cool. You know? There's the hills, the hill country. Here we go. There's another motorcycle man. What's going on? He's got his leathers on. See, there's more deer. More deer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 deer. Oh, deer. Oh, we got some bucks. Hey, buck. What's going on? How you doing? Bucks. as you can see, we're really not talking about anything today. We're just enjoying the river road. Maybe I should hit the brake. I was going a little quick. Drop down, boom, love it. Yeah, so pretty. I definitely need to find more of these roads, and I know they're around here. In fact, one of the roads that I was coming to this road on, next time I'm going to go straight just to see where it goes, what it looks like. I don't think it's going to be as fantastic as this road, but I could be wrong. So I think on that I'll let everybody go. I'm just going to jam some music and enjoy the rest of my ride. In fact, I'm gonna pull over here because, like I said, I don't know how to use my comm system. So I'll leave everybody here. If you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe. Thank you for watching from not San Antonio. No. New Braunfels, Texas. That's right, New Braunfels. Everybody take it easy. I'll see you down the road.